Yo, this is Tommy Jagger, Nick. Going to do an air softener, yeah. So what you do is take vinegar. You put baking soda.
Yeah, we were getting a little bored from the other ones that exploded in my hand. Got all over me, I had to change clothes and stuff. So now we're going to try and do a Big Daddy. Fill up the whole vinegar bottle. Put a bunch of shit in it.
That's 2,
Do it.
3, 4. So now close the cap. Shake it up.
That explodes in his hand.